Starting off by filling in my brows, I'm using the Flower Beauty Brow Vixen Tattoo Effect Stain, and I'm using this to just fill in the sparse areas of my brows. I like this because it has that really nice chisel tip, so it gives a natural effect, and the formula is long wearing and lasts all day. Next up, I'm taking the Marc Jacobs Undercover Eye Primer. I love this stuff because it's completely transparent and I feel like I have pretty oily eyelids. So I love this just because it keeps my eyeshadow on all day, my eyeshadow or my eyeliner, whatever I put on top of it. And I just like that it prevents any oils from creeping up on my eyelids throughout the day. This is the Flower Vinyl Eyes Glossy Gel Eyeliner. This is an exclusive gel formula which delivers intense color payoff so it doesn't fade or flake, and there are micronized pearlescent pigments in it which also intensifies the shine, and this is a long wear gel formula with a lacquer finish. I'm applying this all over my eyelids, just kind of like working it into my lash line and then taking a smudge brush to blend this out so it's nice and soft and not too structured of a line. I'm then taking my Revlon Lash Curler, which I love. I just think it makes a big difference once you curl your eyelashes. It just really opens up your eye. Next up, I'm using the Flower Beauty Lash Warrior Mascara. You guys can see that this brush has 360-degree spiked bristles, which are going to combat clumps from every angle and delivers ultra definition. The spiked brush really catches every lash. This mascara doesn't flake and it doesn't smudge, and it also increases lash volume by 150%. So I'm just applying this a couple coats. I like a lot of mascara, so I did about 2-3 coats on the top lashes and then on the lower lashes as well. Next, I'm taking my Smashbox Primerizer. Love this stuff. I'm so sad that it's almost gone. This stuff hydrates and plumps my skin. I feel like it's such a key product for me just because with having dry skin, this makes such a big difference to use on my skin. It just, like, you know, makes my skin look nice and plump. And then I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Illuminated Tinted Moisturizer. This is so easy to use because it just gives you like a little bit of tint and color. It's got that illuminator already in it, so it just makes you look like you're glowing from within. It's a great, fast product. I will sometimes use my fingers to apply this, but most of the time I'll use a brush and just kind of really work that into the skin. You guys can see it just makes my skin look so pretty, and it just evens out my skin tone but doesn't make me feel like I'm wearing a ton of makeup. So it's a great fast product to put on to just even out your base. Alright, so this is the Laura Mercier Longwear Diffusion Concealer, I believe it's called. I'm not 100% positive. I will have it in the description box for you guys. But I'm using this to just, you know, brighten my under eyes and do a little bit of a highlight on the nose as well. This concealer is really opaque, so a little bit goes a long way. I first like to kind of warm it up into my skin using my fingertips, just so that it really kind of like melts, works with my body heat, and then I will take a brush to just smooth out the lines and make sure that there's no fingerprints in the concealer. To set that concealer and just prevent any creasing, I'm using the Bare Minerals Well Rested Concealer. This does have coverage, but I find that it doesn't make anything look cakey. It's just a little bit of added reinforcement so that your concealer doesn't slip and slide around your face throughout the day. I'm just going to do a quick light contour. I'm using Benefit Hoola Bronzer. I love this stuff because it's been my go-to for so long. And I feel like contouring your face just makes you look a little bit more structured, a little bit more put together. It doesn't have to be anything extreme. Just go like right under the cheekbones, the jawline, right around the hairline, and then I also do just a little bit on my nose as well, just to bring some definition back into the face. Bobbi Brown's Pot Rouge in Uber Beige. You need this. It is a staple for me because I can wear it with any makeup look and it does not distract, and it's not, you know, in your face of any type of color. It's just like a nice, natural, flesh-toned flush. I absolutely love it. So I just use my fingertips and just pop that right on the apples of my cheeks. I'm gonna finish off this look with lips, taking a little bit of a lip pencil. This is the Gorgeous Cosmetics lip pencil in the shade Barely There. I think using a lip pencil that's a similar color to your own lip shade is just the key. That way, as it wears throughout the day, it's not gonna be that big of a deal, and it's also really helpful if you're getting ready in a hurry. And I am just going to take my finger to just soften those lines, make sure there's nothing harsh and they don't look super lip lined. And then I'm going to be using the Dior Berry Lip Glow. This is a really nice berry tinted lip balm, and it just, you know, looks nice and natural, and you can put it on without even using a mirror. And that is my 5-minute face, guys. Be sure to subscribe and click there to watch more of my videos.